Today, let's continue to introduce about XPI series injector. This is Mandy, and this handsome and professional boy is my partner.
Hello everyone.
Okay, XPI means ultra high pressure injection system. It is developed by Scania, and companies also use this technology. In Europe and US, it is called companies XPI and ISX injector. It seems like this one. And in China, we also have company's factory, and it's called Fuchong Company's ISG injector, and this Dongfeng Company's ISC injector. Okay, today we will show you the control valves, the best popular and important valves for this series injector. There are two kinds of valves, a little big one and a small one. And the big one is for XPI and ISG injector, and also is for Fuchong Company's ISG injector. And the small one is for this Dongfeng Company's injector. It is also on our catalog, and the big valve OEM number is Z4954954D. Our catalog number is 109-9D. This one. And we also have some practice about this big valve. There are 109-9A, B, and C. A contains one big valve and a ball and a ball seat. B contains a big valve, a ball seat, and 4 pieces seal rings, and a shim. And also the C. And the difference between B and C is the shim is different. One is the T-type shim. And the other is a flat shim. Okay, we have two different materials for this big valve. One is the bearing steel, and the other is the D13. Okay, now let's see the little control valve. Its OEM number is, our catalog number is 109-351. Its OEM number is 547-3013D. And this is the piece. It's a ball seat, a little valve, and seal rings. Okay, we can also provide our package.
DRP.
DRP package. And don't package. You can choose as which you like.
都不知道。
Okay, now this is our catalog. Welcome to follow us, and we will sell this catalog for free to you. You can contact us with email and website, and also can download our app, CR Book. It's like this. You can check the store on our book app, and also can check the technology information. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.